All right, so let's cover some basics here. So you guys have decided that you are going to be Team Labyrinth. Project's going to be called, for all intents and purposes, Project Umbra for now. May change later. That's a possible game name too, right? Maybe. May change later. Okay. So making a horror survival over the shoulder third person camera game, and it's going to be like labyrinths, and the main focus right now is going to be like puzzles and traps and stuff, and then later on we're going to look at possibly adding some monsters that are going to do some maybe some light AI, nothing crazy. They see you and come after you, or some underground monsters, maybe even some flying ones. Okay, that sounds like a pretty good plan. I can't think of anything else. Who's the main character?
I think we're gonna get to that after.
We had an idea of possibly trying to not only escape, but having others that are in the area that you're trying to bring out with you.
Oh, to like save, like
Yeah,
you
to
rescue
save-
kind
yeah,
of thing.
save people
That'd be
along
like
the way.
That's cool.
your point score, I guess. Isn't that the same?
And maybe have some like occult or science lab thing that changes people into monsters. And you're trying to leave before they turn you into a monster.
Okay. You can also have like, add like events to where when you get to certain areas, text displays that says, "Hey, you just made it to here," or gives you like clues and hints to help you find your way or get to certain other places and stuff like that. So you could go that route if you want to as well. Something that pops up like a little text thing that says,
We were also thinking of adding elements of like mystery, so unveiling more of the story as you go. Maybe you find inscriptions or glyphs or something like that.
It would be
Have
pretty
monsters
easy to
created.
like just have like a floating piece of paper in a secret room. Just like if you collide with it, it just puts up text.
Yeah.
So we could do like cool, interesting lore while still having it be pretty easy to program. Just like put a couple pieces of paper.
Yeah, all you would need is like a simple graphic
Yeah.
and some description.
so it's important that you guys narrow down your like what your main thing is, like your thing. Like this game's thing is this. You know what I mean? And you make that, we prototype that and make it really cool and fun with like a level that is the ugliest level you've ever seen in your life, just made out of boxes and like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Whatever that is. I mean, we all here played the Voodoo Escape game, right? Remember Voodoo Escape? What would you say that the main thing is for Voodoo Escape?
Oh.
What's the main mechanic there? It's a no, it's an escort mission. It's an escort game. You have Molly. You're trying to lead her through and protect her and make sure she's okay. And you have different like ways. You can tell her to stop. You can make her come to you. You can, put her up on what do they call it? Triggers or platforms, and that open other doors that you can go do stuff and then come get her. Like that's the main thing, right? You want to find your thing. Does that make sense?
So you're thinking more the puzzle aspects or trap aspects.
I think so. I think like it would be cool to maybe you have these labyrinths. You have to navigate the labyrinth, and you get maybe some hints and some clues along the way that help you find your way. Because what is a labyrinth? A labyrinth is just a big puzzle,
Yeah.
right?
Is it just labyrinths or just bigger than that?
I don't know. I think that's overcomplicating. I think you just need to find your. Has anybody ever here played a game called Myst?
Yes.
No.
Back in the day, it's a very old game. It was very similar. You guys Google it. Pull up Myst.
It's a slow but fun game.
Yes, this game is very slow, but basically, like, and that's the other thing. You don't necessarily have to have like that old school labyrinth, which was the picture I just had come up. You can have environments like this. Basically, Myst was you would land in environments like this, or this. It was actually it all took place on an island, and you had these different, you had this like observatory, and you had these other areas, and you would go to these other areas, and you'd be in these other areas, and it would give you like hints and clues about things that you needed to then go do that would unlock this other thing that you needed to get you through this door or whatever, right? And then eventually when you would complete all the tasks, you would win the game, right? And then you, as you go through, you learn more about the story of what's going on this island. Do you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like Lost. Remember the show Lost?
Yeah.
Where these people land on this island and they're like, oh crap, and then they find out that there's all this crazy stuff that's happening on the island, and they learn as they go through, kind of thing. So that could be another interesting way to design, and multiple level designers can work on the same level. Like you could have one level designer work on this area, another level designer work on this area, and another level designer work on this area, if that makes sense. You all work on your own individual levels, but they piece together as a big thing.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
All you have to do is just chain them.
Right. So that's something to think about, and I'll let you guys coordinate more on that on your own as a group. Okay, that's what why we have like Discord and these sorts of things. You guys have plenty of time to go over that stuff. Okay, so that said, anybody got anything else they want to add before we move on?
Just some concepts for specific things that would happen, not broad concepts.
Okay, well we only have 30 minutes left in here, so we need to let's go ahead and move on. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a couple things here. Everybody open up an internet browser and go to github.com. And go ahead and sign in, make an account, do what you need to do. You will all need this to work on this game. I love games like this, actually. They're so fun. And I just know that you guys are going to make a hell of a game. All right. So, what the heck is this crap? Device verification? Yeah.
Says that GitHub does this reflective browsing. Oh,
Try a different browser.
I think they have Chrome probably.
It's not working for me. I feel like I was just logged into GitHub.
What did we put in for repository name?
Don't do anything on GitHub. Are you freaking kidding me, man? Just what?
I needed this.
Oh, you are in the no.
Yeah, I needed to
You're
sign up.
you're in the wrong place.
Okay, I'm just going through the steps of.
Just sign.
verifying
Just
my email.
no, just sign up on GitHub. That's it. Just make an account. That's all I want you to do right now.
Okay. So it's basically just like trying to get me to do something after that.
Yeah, don't do anything. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted you guys to create an account and sign into GitHub. I'm going to show you kind of how this works a little bit. We have a school account with these guys, and what this is a cloud where we're going to store our game software. Or we're going to store the game, okay? Now, projects, here we go. Apparently I don't have any public projects. Okay, here we go. So these are what's called repositories, and what I'm going to do is create you guys a repository right now. And that's going to, again, be where you store some files, okay? We'll just put it under this, is fine. And we will call this, sure, we can call it Labyrinth. However you spell it, okay. I literally use Google for spell check.
You want that lowercase?
Say again?
You want it lowercase?
It's always going to make it lowercase,
Oh,
right?
okay.
It's not going to. And we can just make it public for now. We can change it to private later. It doesn't matter. All right, so now we have a repository, and this is the link for that repository. Okay? You guys won't need that right this second. I'll just put it here. All right, so now we have a place where you guys can store your files. Awesome. All right, what's next on the list here? Right, okay, so now we need to create you a project file. So I'm just going to do that in Unreal. And I need to add all of you guys as collaborators. Fortunately, GitHub isn't sophisticated enough for me to give you a collaboration link that you can add yourself. So let's go ahead and do that. Uploading users to GitHub projects. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is come over here and add yourself to this collaboration list on my computer, if you don't mind. So one by one, get your GitHub name, and then just come on over here and add yourself.
Yeah, you can do username.
Still working on it. It is going to be pixel-based Labyrinth.
You don't. No, it's
See
just
the
suggesting
sticky
it.
up there? It's not really.
Hopefully finds me. long as you have your username that you're putting into his repository.
So it's me. Well, you're like making a pool. Or maybe.
What you're saying is what?
All I'm seeing is a maze runner. I'm gonna read that.
Maybe somebody really likes Maze Runner.
Not so much.
Oh, it'd be a good game. Like, basically, what's inside of the maze?
What's inside of a maze?
Basically, just what it is. Like,
I
instead
don't
of looking
know.
at it from top down.
I think they're gonna figure out what the mazes are first, then they're gonna
Or
figure out what's
hyper
inside of it.
focus.
What?
It's either that or be hyper focus.
Yeah.
Not getting too crazy too fast.
D&D's
It's
my
like,
focus.
I don't know, it kind of sounds like Pac-Man, but like a 3D version of it, like
So when he was
inside.
like, let's do something that's cool.
So it's like looking at top down.
Let's have some creepy demon monster. Do it.
Elephants always look good.
Yes. I was just reading up on elephants.
There's so
Do
much.
you know anything about those creatures? Do you know anything about elephants or D&D? There's these creatures called mind flayers. They got tentacles hanging out of their face. They use them to literally flay your mind. They eat your brain.
That's a scary thought.
Yeah, they're pretty fun monsters. What's even more fun is ceramorphosis. You know about that? Yeah. They're these like little tadpole-like creatures, and they implant them in your brain. Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
And this, one of the tech advisors, STEM advisors came in earlier,
Eating a Dragon Ball.
went up there and talked for like,
GT.
it was like 20 minutes or something like that.
Yeah.
And I was doing stuff, and I looked around the room, and like every single one of the students was like falling asleep. And this guy was talking, like, there's a difference between like,
It's the same old thing. Go to Samuel. Everyone can
it's just like, I don't understand that. They give you guys so much information, like they don't understand that your attention spans are like, literally like, maybe you'll get a minute.
Oh yeah.
Attention spans are so short that like you have to keep people captivated or else they're gonna lose you. And this guy was just like blah 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 blah. I was like, oh my god.
They don't even know what they're doing anyway. They don't even know what classes to take.
Like if you want to learn how to get information across to people, look at YouTube ads. They're like 4 seconds. You know what I mean? Because they know that somebody's literally gonna sit there. The maximum amount of time you're gonna get from somebody is a full focus is like 4 seconds. You know what I mean? Anything after 4 seconds, forget it.
Now if you got YouTube Red,
Forget it.
you're gonna get the damn ads.
That's true. I have YouTube Red.
Fucking worth it, bro. Fucking hate ads.
They're not even good at their job anyway.
Man.
YouTube's falling apart, bro.
Actually, Google is getting hammered with a bunch of problems right now.
What for this time?
You name it. Just privacy stuff and all kinds of stuff. Just Google.
Smart was the
Just Google the problems that Google are going through.
Why not Bing it?
Okay, maybe you could Bing the Google problems.
You can always trust Bing.
All right, you guys. I'm gonna skip part of my presentation here because we are running out of time. We can finish it up next time, but I want you guys to go to. Okay, cool. So we are all part of the project now. Online, the online people will have to. I'll have to get their information and put it in there, or designate one of you guys to do that. Okay, Discord.com. Everybody go there. Who in here has a Discord account? Awesome.
Why not?
So we'll make this really easy.
Oh, it'll be 5.
Are you talking about the Discord for this class?
Exactly.
Yes.
I think I'm already on it.
Oh, we don't have a Discord for this class.
No,
I got the foot movement, so I'm good.
yeah, Original Gaming.
What else I gotta do?
Yeah, that's not the Discord for this class.
Oh, okay.
That's the overall department Discord.
Okay, so you.
I think I had you guys make a Discord the first day of class. Maybe I did.
It's not the real Discord.
It's not. It's not the funniest one. This one, the original was the game.
Hey, bro, send me an invite.
All right. So what should our server name be for Discord?
Umbrella.
Umber. Let's go with Labyrinth, right?
Maybe,
It's
Oh.
I don't know, I didn't even read it.
yeah.
Oh,
That's
only for messages.
I got notification email.
So we'll call it Team
I
Labyrinth.
don't get that notification anymore.
What the heck, man?
Veronica dropped her nice shit. Wait, man.
You can't spell labyrinth, bro?
Labyrinth.
Oh my god, this is going new.
So
Nah, man,
Lyrin. Labyrinth.
Anybody
Just do Team Lab.
INTH. There you go. You got it.
add me and Rap. We'll supervise.
Wow.
Hey, add me and Rap. We'll supervise first.
You got it.
Supervise?
Or we're gonna supervise you.
Alright, everybody go to that link and join the Discord.
Why not? Oh,
Then you need to create a Discord account.
I'm in enough servers, enough as it is.
You guys aren't even in this class.
So,
We can still help by helping me distract.
Absolutely.
you'll help out more than I would.
Hey, we're not going to be bag buddies anymore. I got a new bag.
You help out.
Hey, what should you pay for that bag, though?
I don't know. It's free, actually.
So was mine.
You'll be more of a help to them now. Maybe you carry
Probably. I remember when I first started off in intro. Terrible times. Terrible times. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
Alright, everybody in the server? What? Can I send you a link?
It's
What,
up there,
through
fam.
Discord? You want me to send you a link through Discord? What are you asking me to do?
I thought
Just type in the... Can you...
type it in. Okay.
Yeah, you type it in the browser. Type that link in the browser and it should work.
Should.
HTTPS Discord. Anybody get this to work? Yeah. Help each other. Y'all are on a team.
I'm on.
Ask the person next to you. And if they don't know, ask the person next to them.
So lowercase j, 52, uppercase y, 84, uppercase w.
uppercase, upside down. It's not working.
You know what the funnest part of my day is?
The funnest part of your day?
So watching when someone's walking into the bathroom and someone's walking out of the bathroom, every single interaction is always like, they're like boom, and they're like okay, and they go like this. Okay, bye. All right, everybody good?
Nope.
Oh my gosh, my grandma's already been in here and messaging everybody.
Grandma does a lot of things.
She does.
I can't enter. It still says one.
My grandma's already developed this game already. I use my grandma a lot, by the way. She was my favorite person. God rest her soul. R.I.P. R.I.P. Granny. All right, you guys good? Everybody good? All right. Awesome. So some people... Wait a minute.
See what you have created. Kick him out.
Crazy old granny.
Wow.
5 minutes. 5 minutes already.
You know, when I feel like I've seen it all, I'm always pleasantly surprised.
You already know who it is. You can kick him out.
All right, so now I'm going to give your project lead admin access so he can go in here and create different channels and give you guys and have control here.
Everyone else that.
Kick everybody out, you
How
know,
about everyone?
do all that. So I'll add a new role here. I'll call it project lead. I'll make that pink. And let's see, admin access is fine. That should do it.
Administrator, are you sure, bro?
Yeah, I don't care.
Ban kick members.
He accidentally deletes the server.
Says this is a dangerous permission to grant. And then, all right, and then I go to, how do I do that? Grandma Carrot, sorry, you're not getting admin access. Anybody ever do this before? How do I do this?
I think you gotta go to
Don't you do this every time?
Members, here we go.
Yeah.
All right, project
Don't do
lead.
this every time.
What's your Discord name?
Lord Sirenite.
What?
Sirenite.
Lord Sirenite.
L-R-D-C-Y.
All right.
Speak to
So,
me a language
so
I can
now,
understand.
now he is project lead and he has admin access. So anything that you guys need him to tweak, you need something?
No, I'm trying to figure out this server.
Trying to figure out what?
No, the game server. Like, what was the server?
Yeah, luckily I copied that. Discord.gg/J52.
No, man, you gotta type in the actual, like,
Put this in the browser.
like Google browser.
All right, just give me your phone. Take a picture of that. Take a picture of that link right there. Got it?
It's already starting.
I know. All right, cool. So, project lead, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Take a look at this project here.
Watch out for Granny.
All right, you guys, I got you for 15 more minutes. We got to focus here. Take a look at this. You want to take a picture of that? This is a project. The project lead now has the access to create channels. I don't know why we have degenerate memes, but this is a pretty solid. You want to create the different channels. So you want to have one for project general, level design, sound, art, programming. Here's a couple more. But you want to set this up the way that works best for your team. But yeah, so that's a good. And then you look at ours, and there's like nothing, which is fine because we just made it. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, we want you guys to have fun with it. Yeah, Discord is basically a place where you can go to and communicate as a team when you're not together. Right? Does that make sense? So like you want to talk about the game and come up with ideas and do all that, that's great. This is where you do that, right? Communicate in real time and stuff. And the online guys are going to be mainly communicating with you guys through here.
I feel bad for the online guys.
Yeah. All right, so let's do this. Let's stop for today. We'll pick up next time. We made some serious progress today, so good work. And talk about the game on Discord. And yeah.
Why are you in the voice chat?
Yeah, why are you in voice chat? Everyone join voice chat right now.
Right now.
Oh my God, you guys are silly.
Ugly's not having any of it.
It's hot. The prophecy foretold. Anyone has any ideas?
Some of you guys, so I just put this information in here. This is the info that we talked about our stuff, and I pinned it. And what's cool about that is when you pin stuff up at the top here, it doesn't matter how many crazy messages and memes you guys put in here. When I click this little pin, it shows me all the pinned messages. So you want to pin important stuff. Sound good?
Define important.
This cat with the knife. That's important. All right, you guys. I will see you next Tuesday. Good work today.
Already. I don't know who's Grandma Fairy, but everyone just goes to the voice chat. We're just wondering how to
So this is Grandma Carrot.
Yeah, like we changed the animation once, guys. It wants the
Yeah, so that when you start moving,
Discord's a dangerous place.
because every time you
Don't worry, Chris. I'll leave the Discord.
I need to turn off notifications ASAP.
Oh, bro, you always gotta turn off notifications, except for ads.
right now, I
No,
don't
I turn those off too.
You gotta leave those on.
How do I do that?
You gotta go to
How do I turn off notifications?
like for the
No,
server
no,
specifically,
yeah,
or
yeah.
go back to
TL is what it is.
it's gonna be over here.
Notification
Notifications.
settings.
Do either nothing or only add mentions,
Yeah, I'll have to do that.
and then yeah, save.
It's a microphone.
But not so. I honestly keep forgetting to, dude.